it's Christian and this is Milo. And I wanted to tell you that every time my dog wears his backpack when we're on the trails, he becomes the most popular hiker. He's a trail celebrity. He's more popular than I am, and I finally figured out why. When he's not wearing his backpack, people barely notice. But when he is wearing it, he becomes the star. Everyone stops us. They want to see Milo. And as far as when I figured out why, when I put this backpack on him, and I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. This is his backpack. Is this your backpack? Yeah. He becomes a superhero. This dog turns into a dog with a mission, a high-focused, high-energy mission. And his job is to make sure we stay on the trail, us hikers, and that we don't get too far apart. He herds us. Yeah, so he's very, very busy. He is a border collie and he is a working dog. So I thought I would kind of show you what is in Milo's backpack and what turns him into a successful hiker. Milo, let's show him what's in your backpack. So here's Milo's backpack again. I have it unzipped and I'm going to show you exactly what's in his backpack. So, and I'll talk more about his gear a little bit, but these water bottles are awesome. He has 2 of these, and what's really cool about them is that this is the bowl up here, and you squeeze the water bottle and it fills up, and then he drinks out however much water he'd like to drink. And then after he drinks the water, I let go of the squeeze and it drains back in there. So I don't lose any water. And again, I have 2 of those, one on each side of his backpack. We have plenty of treats. He's eating the treats. I'm unpacking the backpack. He has what is called a rough rescue gear harness. So if Milo was to get injured out on the trail, I have a way to carry him out. I'm not leaving my baby out on the trail. So this will be something that I hope I never use, but I have it. For his paws, Musher's Secret. He does have a little card in there, but he also has identification on his collar. We spend long days out on the trail, so he has this Milo. It's electrolytes made specifically for dogs. And this one is beef brisket flavor. He likes it, and I just squirt it in his water bottle. And then he gets electrolytes. I need electrolytes out on the trail, so does he. So like I said, I have 2 of these water bottles, and you want to put the water bottles on each side of the pocket, or otherwise the backpack will be imbalanced. He has his own first aid kit. I have these collapsible bowls. So this one's dirty, but you can see how that works. They're both the same. And one has water and one has his food. And again, we're backpacking, so he needs his food and dinner too. He has a trash bag. And I usually pack his chow, his kibble, in little baggies like this. He has his poop bags. And that's all that's in his backpack. The rest of the gear that he needs, I carry. Things like the tent, his sleeping pad, and stuff like that. So that's what's in Milo's backpack. I put everything back into the backpack, and you can see that it's loaded. Of course, this is not ready to go out on the trails, but I keep everything in here so I don't lose it. A little bit about this backpack. It is rough wear. It is called the Approach Dog backpack, and it comes in 2 colors, a blue color and an orange color. I like orange so I can always see my dog Orange stands out on the trail, and plus if there's a weird incident where we're hiking and there's hunters, they're not going to mistake him for a wild animal with Orange. I wanted to show you some of the treats that I do take out on the trail with this. Milo loves these nudges. They're by Blue Buffalo, and they're just little steak strips. And he's right down here. You can't see him, but he's gonna get one. Here you go. You want a nudger? Yeah, he really likes those. So they go out on the trail with us. And sometimes when I'm hiking long hikes, my appetite isn't there. I have to force myself to eat. The same thing happens to Milo too. So I'll put the kibble in the bowl and he just looks at it and gives me the pitiful dog face. So when I top it with this is also by Blue Buffalo, it's little trail toppers. He eats the whole bowl of kibble because this stuff's on top of it and it soaks in there and immerses with it. He'll eat the whole thing. I gotta make sure he stays hydrated and has nutrition, just like I gotta care for myself. So I just wanted to show you those. I mean, obviously you're gonna pick what works for your dog, but I've discovered these are winners for Milo. Two honorable mentions that I would like to discuss. They are not in Milo's backpack, but it is this stuff. You have the one for dogs, you have the one for people. And a couple days before I go, I'll treat my clothing and my gear with this. And Milo's gear gets treated with this. I also spray him down the day before we roll out in the car. It is not safe for cats, but I don't have cats. The other thing I want to mention that is not in Milo's backpack is his leash. This one is a great runner's leash. I like it because it clips around my waist. I'll have my backpack on and I can still have my trekking poles for hiking, which I really, really like because I need to save my knees. Next time, happy trails, happy tails.